Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw White Mamba from the new Space Jam 2: A New Legacy. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with White Mamba, we're going to begin with the eyes. I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's going to curve up and down. Next, I'm going to leave a little bit of space, and I'll do the same thing. I'm going to curve up and down. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve up to here. And I'll do the same thing here. We're just going to curve right up. Now, right along the middle here, we want to draw a little line that's going to come across. And we'll do the same thing over here, just a little line across for her eyelids. Starting here, I'm going to make a little smiley face, and I'll do another one right in here. And we just want to color those in for her pupils. Now for her nose, I'm just going to draw a line that comes down on each side. And a line's just going to go down and up here. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a little line across for the mouth. Then we're going to make a little line that's going to go up and down, and then up and down here like an M. Next, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down, it's going to go over, and then up. Now, right above the eyes, we want to make her eyebrows. I'm going to start here, and I'm going to make a line that's going to come up, and it's going to come down, kind of like an upside-down check mark. Then I'm just going to draw another line right on top of here, just to make it a little bit darker. You can kind of color in any extra parts. We'll do the same thing here. We're just going to make that little check mark shape that's going to go up and down, or upside down check mark. Then we just want to redraw right on top of this just to make it a little bit darker. Now, starting up here by the eyebrow, we want to make kind of like a curved line. So I'm just going to start right up here, and we're going to make a line that's going to curve down. And then over here, we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to make a line that's going to curve down. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down. And I'm just going to do the same thing here, just kind of angle it in. Then we're just going to round it off right here at the chin. Kind of give her like a snake look. Now, starting up here, I'm going to make two little zigzag lines here, and then two little zigzag lines here. Then I'm going to make a longer one right down the middle, kind of like a V shape to connect. Starting right here by the eyebrows, we're going to make a line that's going to go up. It's going to come to a point and then down. Do the same thing here, come to a point and then come down for the ears. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve up. And it's going to come right around to here for the hair. Then starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go out. It's going to curve around and then come down for her like little bun. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go down and it's going to come up. And you can see I kind of put it at an angle because we're going to have her body kind of turn just a little bit. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. And then starting right here, let's make a line that's going to curve down to here. Next, we'll draw a little line that comes up. One more here. And one more here that's going to go up and down. and we'll just connect it down. I'm going to make this line a little longer. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that goes out and then it's going to come down. Then we want to make a line that's going to go out and we're going to come down past this little line. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come up and it's just going to connect to here. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go out and we're just going to come down. We're going to go down a little bit farther and then we're just going to bring this line up. Then I'm just going to add a little line that curves down here. And I'm going to add a little line across because she's wearing a sleeve on this arm. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that kind of curves out a little bit. And then another one that kind of curves out here. We're going to make just a little zigzag line that goes from one side to the next just to connect the bottom of her jersey. Then starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out and it's going to come down. And another one here, it's going to go out and it's going to come down because the bottom of her, or the rest of her body is going to be like a snake. Now, starting here, I'm going to just go ahead and make a line that's going to come out. It just kind of curves across. And then starting here, I'm going to make a long line that's just going to curve around. And it's going to come up here. Next, I'm going to draw a little line that comes over just a bit. And then I'm going to take this line, I'm going to bring it up, and I'm going to bring it out here. I'm going to make this one nice and pointy, and I'm just going to kind of follow this curve and make it get a little bit wider as it comes back and bring it down to there. Starting here, I'm going to make a circle for the basketball right on top of the bottom of her tail. And then we want to turn this into a basketball. So to do this, I'm going to first split this in half with a little curved line. Then I'll draw a little line that goes out and then down. A line that's going to come down here. And then a big kind of curved line that goes out and then comes down. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that just curves down. And then I'm going to add a few little curved lines on here for some texture. Now, right along her eyes, I'm going to darken this line a little bit, and I'm going to make a little bit of like an eyelash. So I'm just going to make these lines a little darker, and then I'm just going to make a little bit of an eyelash, and then one that comes down a little bit too. And there you go. There is your drawing of White Mamba from the new Space Jam movie. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.